Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're reviewing the Bingchat Drone, advertised with a 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, all through a tablet remote. This drone aims to offer advanced features for adult users. Well, let's look at how the Bingchat Drone performs in typical flying situations. The core performance, including 4K camera quality and gimbal stabilization, relies heavily on advertised claims without sufficient independent verification. The integrated tablet controller is a significant benefit, providing an intuitive Android interface that many users will find easy to navigate. While an 84-minute flight time across 2 batteries is advertised, this is under ideal conditions, and real-world practicality might differ significantly. Reliability during extended use and consistent functioning of advanced features like obstacle avoidance lacks strong independent data for confident assessment. This drone lists many appealing features, but independent validation for its core capabilities in real-world use is unfortunately quite limited. Considering its advertised features, let's explore the drone's overall value. The drone advertises a substantial list of advanced features, which could offer good value if they perform as claimed for the price. While Bingchat advertises strong local service support and a high repurchase rate, independent brand trust is still developing in the market. While it tries to compete with unique features, more established brands generally offer a proven track record of reliability and performance for similar investments. The drone's appeal and value proposition become much stronger when it is available with a significant discount compared to its full retail price. The value proposition looks promising, especially with a potential discount, but brand trust is still in the early stages of development. Understanding the potential drawbacks is key to making an informed buying decision. Independent assessment of the drone's build quality, including materials and construction, is limited, raising questions about its long-term durability and safety. Evidence for consistent, long-term operational reliability and feature performance under various flight conditions is insufficient, indicating potential uncertainties. Despite claims of extensive local service and warranty support, independent verification of these services and their effectiveness remains limited for buyers. The integrated Android system provides flexibility, but potential issues with the dedicated flight app or overall system stability are not independently verified. Overall safety and reliability ratings are lower due to limited independent evidence, requiring buyers to be cautious about potential risks. The Bingchat Drone presents a tempting package of advertised features at a budget price point. However, independent evidence for many of its core claims remains limited. It might suit budget-conscious buyers who are comfortable with this uncertainty, but those seeking proven performance and robust support might want to wait for more validation or consider alternatives. Verify the live Amazon configuration and price for the most current details.